again, Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. This time I have a Janome new style 100. Great machine. Nothing fancy. Very this machine is not fancy at all. This is a very old mechanical machine, but it's a Janome brand. Came in with a timing issue. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna dig inside now. We're gonna check it out. Your doctor is here, so the doctor's gonna mark it perfect. Let's go and see what's going on with the machine. I'm gonna go inside, check the timing on it. You know, customer says there was a lot of noise on it, so let's go and check it out. Like I said, it's a pretty simple machine, nothing fancy, nothing complicated, but it looks, you know, it looks good. I tried it out. It sounds good, and I'm gonna now oil it, clean it, adjust it, and make sure it's 100% right. Nice and quiet. Look at that. Nice. Here I'm gonna make some straight stitches to see how it comes up. Nice. It was just dried inside, you know. I put oil all over the place because the machine was very dry. That's all it needed. It really, the timing was good, the tension is good, everything seems to be good. Very important here that the tension nut, they had it on 2. So, you know, you might have loose stitches with that. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the tension set in one of the number that has the little square right there, like number 5. Then you check the stitches, how it looks on the back, and if it looks good, you leave it there. Thanks for watching, Robin, again. The machine is ready. Nothing really bad. It was just it just dried inside, very dried. I oiled it, I cleaned it, you know, I took all the dust out, and now the machine is 100% working. See you soon.